What are we doing?
We are going to see whether we can get the mufflers off the exhaust, because somebody, well, when we got the exhaust done, put adhesive on it. So, gonna try and get that off.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, bud.
Simmons. So like them boys.
Yeah, it's wet as fuck.
Let's hear it.
See, there's a rattle on this side, which is literally,
it's this muffler.
if I put my foot on this,
It's a bit raspy.
it's just gross.
This thing has had something done to it every single Queensland trip I've been over. So this one we're trying to solve the issues of, well, yeah, the absolutely fucking rattly exhaust. Oh, that's not how you park.
Yep.
Let's go. Probably gonna be a dick to get off the fucking. What the? Wait, what?
Oh,
What the?
that is on there tight.
Yeah, I won't get it, but like,
Yeah, I don't
if I
really,
hold it up.
yeah, see that just isn't gonna move. Oh, keep doing it a little bit harder.
Yeah, it moved. Alright, so far we've managed to get part 1 off, but up behind in here, you can kind of see it, there's a rubber flange holding the muffler on, which we are struggling to get off. So muffler number 1's semi done, but we still have the second one.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh. That's that sound we've been after.
What the
Stand behind it.
That is so fucked. That is actually so fucked.
We're like halfway there, and it already sounds fucking sick. So turn it off or move it. Yeah, move it.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it.
If the muffler falls off, it's okay. But these people aren't gonna. They already don't like this car enough. So what we're doing isn't going to be. Isn't going to be loved too much.
Dude, I was so...
I thought it was gonna fucking eat it on that.
Yeah, because the muffler is hanging down right now. And I was like, it's definitely gonna catch on this baby. It's fucking definitely gonna catch.
That's our current doings.
Yep.
Oh, fucking a fucking D-cat.
Oh my god. How heavy is it?
It's like 1.5 kilos.
Right, try and get this second one off for me.
Fuck.
Dude, I urgently want hot dogs.
that even on? Wait. Is it that way? No. That'd be loose, wouldn't it? Or is my weight loose?
Is that loosening?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's tightening. That way.
This will turn inwards.
Yeah.
But it's just getting up. On today's video, we try and figure out which way bolts work.
So, we have made some progress. We've actually got this loose enough to just turn.
Right.
This is just the one we're trying to get off now.
Yeah.
Now we have to shake the other one, or shake the actual muffler to get it off.
Alright, so boom.
Got it.
Second.
Oh, that's well on there.
So now we've got
Oh, that is fucking insane.
got 1 and 2, and what we haven't covered in this car is we actually decatted it probably 2 trips ago when I was here. So there's no cats or anything further back, so all it's got now is a resi. So if there was no resi right now on this startup, if you gassed it, you could imagine what would be coming out the rear end.
Brief my parents.
I'm gonna catch this narmage.
We've got the mufflers off just because we're trying to tighten the thing. We're just gonna start it.
Oh, Joshua.
It's alright, it's alright.
Whenever Marcus comes, you always start pulling your car apart.
Ready? Come in. Do you want to listen?
No, I don't.
We're trying to clean them. Listen to this. Ready? Fuck me.
Oof,
Oh, gases.
he sounds good.
Why you got to clean them?
Because they're dirty.
And
And will that make them quieter?
So it's loud. It also crackles and pops on downshift and upshift. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for today's part of the series. I'm going to do a couple parts to this thing. We've actually done this over about 3 days. We've taken the mufflers off. This is the 3rd day shooting. We've taken the mufflers off over 6 times and put them back on. So fair to say we are over taking these off and on. We're looking to get a solution for it being hot dogs, which are practically straight pipe mufflers with a small resi inside of it. So it's not as loud, it's more controlled. Yeah. She sits pretty fit. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.